Hi everyone! In this video, we'll be discussing 5 tips that crypto beginners should know. Let's get started. Tips 1. Do your research. The first and foremost tips is to do your research. Crypto is a complex and ever-changing landscape, so it's important to have a good understanding of the basics before you start investing money. Start by reading white papers, watching videos, and following the industry experts on social media.
Tips number 2. Understand the risk.
Crypto is a high-risk, high-reward investment and there are no guarantees. Make sure to only invest of what you can afford to lose and be prepared of volatility. Tip number 3. Use reputable exchanges. There are many exchanges out there, but not all of them created equal. Make sure to use an exchange that has a good reputation, a solid track record, and a strong security measures in place. Tip number 4. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's important to have diversified portfolio of cryptocurrency to minimize your risk and maximize your potential gains. Tip 5. Keep your investments safe. Use a secure wallet to store your crypto and never share your private keys to anyone. Be vigilant against any scams, phishing attacks, and other malicious activities that could compromise your investment. And that's it! 5 tips for crypto beginners. If you have other questions or tips, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.